Jerome. Hello. Hi, Alexandra. Yeah, we're back here in Disney World in Florida. At Kissimmee, right? Kissimmee, Florida. Nearby, yeah. So we're heading there again for our last 2 days vacation. Yeah, we just gonna try have fun tonight and samahan nyo kami. Bye. See ya. Welcome to Disney World, the most magical place on earth. Good water park and Cirque du Soleil. No, anak. There you go. Ganda, no? Mouse, Minnie Mouse, welcome us again. Hello, miss you. It's been 6 years.
And there's Mickey.
And also Mickey. Mickey's welcoming us there from there. So we're about to check in here at Pestana Orlando Suite. Okay. So we can put down our luggage there first. Right there. Hey, you can go there, Alan. You can check in. Baby here, baby. I put this. Nahin muna natin yung malaki. Yeah. I put the big one first, baby. Yeah.
Heaviest luggage.
Yeah. Hold this. There you go. Cool. There you go. Hi. Guys, ang bango. Ang bango ng hotel. Bago. Bago lang to. Yeah.
Right there in front. And in your room, you have water and coffee complimentary. Perfect.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Anything you need, we will give you.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to our room. 237. We're not gonna intervene to your place. Ayan.
Room tour muna tayo, guys. So, this is the washroom. Okay, meron na silang shampoo, conditioner, and what is this? Oh, malaki din yung screen, no? And the cabinets. It's right there. And then 2 beds. And the
We're at Celebration, Florida. Ayan. We're going to our favorite vlogger, Adam the Woo, Daily Woo. Dito tayo sa Celebration, Florida. Pupuntahan natin ang bahay ng favorite kong vlogger, travel vlogger na si Adam the Woo. He passed away 5 months ago, December 23, bago mag-Christmas. Ayan. So pupuntahan natin yung bahay niya. Yung favorite kong bahay na Adam the Woo. Akalungkot naman. Hindi ko akalain na na makakapunta ako rito sa bahay niya. Ayan sa likod. Yan. Yan. Ganda yung lugar ni Adam the Woo. Tahimik. Kaya pala niya napili dito na bumili ng lugar. Yan. Panoorin niyo yung niya, mga vlog niya. Maganda yung vlog niya. Ayan Diyan dati yung bago siya mamatay. Yung The Grinch na vlog. Kasama si Venice in Germany. Parang gano'n. German. Inakyat yan na kasi nga hindi siya Adam the Woo's house. Yan. Yan na yan yun. Yan. Ito yung community. Favorite niya yung lugar to kasi daw napakatahimik. Right?
I watch them sometimes.
Sometimes,
but
yeah.
Like, just like, everyone.
Very good vlogger, anak. Very
really?
Yeah, soft spoken. Yan, diyan siya naglalakad mo. Yan siya tumatakbo. Yan. Dito nag-drive yung sa The Grinch. Meron dyan na small town na may Starbucks, anak. Yan. Celebration, Florida. I can't believe na makakapunta tayo rito, anak ko. But sabi ko, pag nagpunta tayo, pupunta tayo rito eh. Kasi naman yung drive nila ng The Grinch, Taga-golf cart. Yan. Nung Chris. Yung pala nandun si German in Venice. Yan. Kaya pala sila, magka-collab pala sila noong time na yon Hindi na niya sinipot. What can you say, anak, no? Para siyang historic place, no, anak, no? Yeah. Celebration, Florida. Pare-pares yung bahay. Ayun naman, tingnan mo yung golf cart. Karamihan dito ng mga golf cart mga residents, Galing, no? Ayun, anak niyan. May mga dyan, event. Tanda mo yan, Maglakad sila. Diyan sumayaw si The Grinch. Yan, yan. Ayan, May market. Ayan, Ayan. Diba? Walang parking, Ayun ang isa. Ito po. Dito tayo sa Celebration, Florida. Dito madalas naglalakad sa si Adam the Woo, Daily Woo. Dito rin siya nagbablog, guys. Ayan na fountain na yan. Ang ganda rito, Ayan Ito yung artificial lake to. Yan. Ganda. Yeah, there we go. Ang ganda. There we go. Nice one. Yeah, nasa Celebration, Florida, si Jody Me. Yan. Hi! Hello. Ganda, no? Ayan, ang ganda. Hello. So dito na madalas mag-vlog si Adam the Woo, Daily Woo. Panoorin yung channel niya kahit wala na siya sa mundo. Maganda pa rin yung niya. Travel vlogger siya ng Disney World and Universal. Yan, so good. Magkukuha sa tayo dito sa artificial lake nila. Ito guys, no? Napaka-aliwalas. Oh. Ayun, oh. Pag dito ka nakatira, ano ka na retirement area. Ito naman, oh. Yan. Patayo ka dyan kung nakita. Diba? Yan, ganda. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, kinukuha ko sila ng picture. Ay, ganda. Yeah, celebration, Florida. Ganda, ano? Yan. Ganda na. So may Starbucks dito, madalas magkape si ano dyan, si Adam Dugo. Ayan, Daily View. Daily View yung vlog niya. Ganda. Tapos ito yung cinema. That can really cause disturbance here. A peaceful place. And ang ganda. Celebrations. So ito yung pinaka-old cinema nila. Pero alam ko hindi na yata ano to eh. Sinihan eh. Ah. Yeah. Celebration. Okay. Pero tingin ko ano na to eh, parang retirement place na. Maganda na mag-retire dito. Kasi ang most mga sasakyan nila rito going to the town is ano na eh, golf cart. Yeah. Mas napaka-solid na place dito. Yeah. Maganda yung lugar nila. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang at namasyal tayo dito sa Celebration, Florida, where my favorite vlogger lives. Thank you guys. See ya.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're back here in Disney Spring. We're back here at Disney Spring in Florida. Ang dami tao. There you go. So Disney Spring, we're back. Ang dami tao. Anong nangyari? What's happening right now? Hey guys, so we're back here. I can take a photo there. Just there. Hey Alexander. You're back here. After 6-7 years, right? Guys, it's April until now, marami pa rin tao rito sa Disney Spring. Naman, no? Ayan. Ito yung dati naming ilalakaran dito sa beach. Ayan. Kaya maganda magpakuha dyan, no? Ano kayo picture dyan? Free dyan.
We can probably cover my mom back in. But
Anak mo na kayo dyan, anak. We're here, Disney Spring, Florida. Orlando. Daming tao, guys. Bagay kasi Sunday pa lang ngayon, I forgot. Kaya talaga marami tao dyan. Guys, enjoy nyo. Pasyal po kayo. Enjoy nyo lang yung view ng DC Spring.
Miyop, Whistler Village. Yan. Ganito. Ano yung pababa, anak, no? Ang pinagkaiba, walang mountain to. Mountain. Yan. Hangar bar. Ayos, ah. Hi, ma. Hi, pretty woman. Walking down the street. Pretty woman. Oh, see? There's a show, right? Anak, let's go here. Watch. Ano yung parang the boat house, no? Anak. Yeah. That's like a boat house. Yeah. Marami na nga nadagdag. Dati wala yan eh. Pero alam ko close to dati may parang fence. Really? Oo. Parang bago siya. Marami nang nabago na. Marami nang nabago. Paano fish? Bakit meron dyan? Ako yung specialty nila dyan. T-Rex. Yung dalawa. Gutom na siya. Tara, kain tayo. Napunta pa tayo university. Hindi sa atin may... Yeah, Rainforest Cafe. Ito yung iconic ano nila eh, no? Dragon ba yan? Wala eh, no? Okay, Uniqlo na yan, kaya lang that's US dollar, not Canadian. Same same price. So plus ano yan? Magkano 30 cents more? No man, no? Per dollar. 40, yeah. So mahal siya rito. Sa Canada. This is Spring, Florida. Kaya ang daming parang copyrighted eh. Disney. Pero meron naman sa atin yan eh, no? Uniqlo Disney anak, di ba? Disney yeah, kasi nag-ano naman sila eh. Patent, no? Yeah. There you go. Welcome to the music of copyright. Sana hindi. Natuwa ko na lang. Ang ganda, nagtawan ako. Yeah. Di ba sa Cirque du Soleil yun?
That one was at 6, it was 5:30 when we were there?
Yep. Malamang ano yan, Cirque du Soleil. Yeah. Super dry yan ako.
Yeah.
Japanese brand. Here. Yeah. May salamin si kuya niyan. Super dry. Japanese yan. Yeah. Pinopromote ng ano yan, ng anak yung ano pangalan ng girl band?
Sorry?
Ha?
Which one?
Girl band?
I don't know actually, sorry.
I forgot the name. Memory card. Anong pangalan niya? 19 Market Building. Lululemon. Anak, Lululemon is under investigation, right? You heard about it? Lululemon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ganda. Parang bago to. Naman, ha? Gusto mo bago sa ano, this is spring. Stiletto.
Gusto niya.
Perks TV. Kaya magsuwa. Gusto naman talaga niya yan eh. Sabi niya, I don't care kung ano. Do you know there's a Panda Express too? If we get hungry there at Universal.
I was gonna tell you that.
Yeah. Pero where we parked there? Kanina guys, ang init, 30 degree humidity, pero ngayon medyo lumamig na. Hindi siya ano ngayon. Hindi siya mainit ngayon guys. So, yeah. Yeah, we took photo here, right? Remember?
Yes, that would be also.
Yeah. In here, may video tayo rito. Woo! Oh, naka-atenga siya ngayon. May oras kaya tayo. Very nice ano, scenery here, no? Yung mga bata nakapag-Starbucks na kanina. Alin?
Sumit na yung area.
Yeah, sa dami ng tao. Tsaka store, marami na merchant, no? So, yun. Ha? Patuwa ko na lang ulit music, puro music dito guys. Copyright, no? Pero mahaba-haba na vlog natin dito. Okay guys, pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa This Spring.
A few moments later.
The only one who just go there. Universal, Baywalk tayo. Tama ba Baywalk? Baywalk ha? Ano? City Walk. See? We've been here last 2018. So another 8 years, no? Or 8 years, no? 8 years already. Wow, I mean, mga bata pa tong dalawang nasa harap ko. Yan. Ngayon, binata't dalaga na. Yan. Yan. Ito, pasok na tayo ng ano, Universal City Walk. Favorite ko rito. Alam mo kung bakit? Libre kasi. Pag libre, masaya. Panalo yun, di ba? Makakuha mo naman ng libre, why not, di ba? O, libre na parking kasi wala nang nagpa-park. Nag-uwian na nga, oh guys, oh. Kami na lang ang papasok, oh. Oh. Ayan. Ito ang iconic walkalator ng Universal Studio City Walk dito sa Florida. Yan. Yan. Iconic yan, guys. Kasi malayo ang parking sa pinaka-entrance niya. Kaya kung gusto mo mag-burn ng calories, this is the best way to walk through there. Or just use the walkalator, right? There you go. Oh, maganda yung lighting natin, oh. Diba? Yung pa, daanan nila. At si Jody Me, oh. Hi, Jody Me. Hi, guys. Universal City Walk. Yeah, we're getting closer to the entrance of the City Walk. There you go. Ito. Golf mask. Boys, don't cry. Boys, don't
Accident approaching.
There you go, we're here. Yan. Matayo kayo dyan, no? Ang ganda. We're back here again. Buti hindi na siya mainit dati nung last time na mainit no kahit gabi. Oh, yan. Universal Studio. Guys, ang dami oh. Parang Shaun of the Dead oh. No? Anak, look at the Mario Brothers. Right there. Guys, nice to be back here in Orlando Universal. Right, kuya, no? After 8 years. Yeah? Yeah, 8 years. Yan, daming tao. Pero okay. Pauwi na sila kami, papasok pa lang. Yeah. Amazing. Tara. Hinahanap po kayo eh.
Sabi niya, I saw Pop.
Ayan o, Universal. Dami pa rin tao, no? May fireworks. There you go. May drone show, guys. So, yun o. Sa tayo doon. Ang galing na ng drone show, anak ko.
Yeah, it's good. Sorry.
Ayun na. Watching the drone show. Wala sana. That's it? That's it?
Let's recreate daw.
Huh?
Recreate.
I have this photo.
Wow.
Sent our secrets to the sky. Sent our secrets to the sky. Last night,
Ay, may fireworks pa yun. Wow, drone show again. No? Hey guys. Hello. Universal Orlando. There you go. City Walk. There you go. That's the Adventure Island, and this is the Hard Rock Cafe. There you go. And the one is the Universal Studio there. Very nice at night, guys. Lively here, so lively here, guys. There you go, another music. Margaritaville. Margaritaville.
It's already there.
Yan. I think guys, hanggang dito na lang for Universal, no? Paalam na kami. See you in the next vlog. Love you guys.